In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ChatGPT. This is a quick and secure way to sign in using your Google account so you don't have to remember another password, and it only takes a minute. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you're signing in safely. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you use two-factor authentication on your Google account. Once the page loads, click Login. If you're brand new to ChatGPT, you might see a brief sign-up flow, but the process is essentially the same. We're going to use your Google account to authenticate, which is the easiest way to connect. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This opens a secure Google window. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see your accounts listed. Just click the one you want to use with ChatGPT. If you're not signed in, enter your Google email and password. You may also be asked to complete two-step verification, like approving a prompt on your phone or entering a code. Follow those on-screen prompts, and you'll be right back to ChatGPT. A quick note on what Continue with Google means. This uses Google's secure sign-in to confirm your identity for ChatGPT. In typical cases, it shares your basic profile details like your name and email, so ChatGPT can create or connect your account. You're not giving access to your Gmail inbox. You're simply using Google as the trusted way to log in. If you see a permissions screen, take a moment to review it and confirm it looks right before continuing. If you have more than one Google account, choose the one you want tied to your ChatGPT activity. Many people prefer using a personal account rather than a work or school one, depending on their organization's policies. And if your organization manages your Google account, you might see admin prompts. Just follow what's required by your workspace. After you confirm, that's it, you're connected. You'll land on the ChatGPT home screen where you can start a new conversation right away. If you're on a shared or public computer, remember to log out when you're done. On your own device, staying signed in will make future access faster. If you ever run into a blank screen or don't see the Google option, a quick page refresh or trying a different browser window usually clears it up. And if you prefer not to stay signed in, you can always sign out from the ChatGPT menu later. That's the whole process. Simple, secure, and done in moments. Enjoy your connected experience with ChatGPT.